The 12-year-old student of Adam Yakubu Memorial High School in Agege, Aminat Alege, who lost an eye as a result of a tear gas canister allegedly fired by a police officer in Lagos in February this year, has undergone her second surgery. Senior correspondent Adedoja Salamadeni brings us a follow-up report on how she is recuperating months after her knee operation.
Aminat Alege is in excruciating pain following her second surgery to correct the flesh around her right eye.
Stop crying, stop crying, stop crying.
This operation comes 6 months after the first performed in February to reset the bones in her right globe, all done at the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, LASUTH. Two months after the surgery, we visited Adam Yakubu Memorial High School to see how Aminat Alege is coping.
How are you, darling? Good to see you.
The school management had given her a scholarship to cover her education until she is done with secondary school.
I learned you are writing exams now. Are you done with it?
And this even include the books to be used. They're even planning to even have this of a WIC and an echo to it. All this is to support the parents. The management, they felt so bad at the time that happened, but we thank God. Because the girl really is a brilliant girl.
You better. How is your friend, Janet? Is she around? How are you, Janet? Our best friend. Good to see you. Sit. So how are you? Good to see you guys. I'm happy to see you.
The 12-year-old girl has now grown. She is more confident, no doubt, but the underlying issues leaves a telltale sign.
Since my last operation, I have a little confidence, but some people do ask me what happened to my eye. I usually tell them that I had an accident with it. But some people notice that it's not my eye, and some people do not notice. I'm very happy for people helping me to contribute for the operations and how they took care of me. I really appreciate it. I want the government, maybe they should they should travel me out for my aunt. The eye is still paining me. Maybe they can do better thing for better treatment. Maybe they can do it for me there.
The first one I noticed was that she's now a bit more, she doesn't feel sad like that anymore, because people don't actually really notice she isn't using one eye. So then at times she will just that she reads well now. She reads well. When she wants to write, she writes all her notes completely. Studies, everything is just improving about her. It's just that her hand is still shaking, and her leg also, she doesn't walk fast like that, but she's improving little by little.
Despite her challenges, Aminat remains undaunted. She is focused on a career path, opting for the science class.
I believe I can be a doctor and ophthalmologist. I believe I can do it. There's nothing that can stop me doing it, because I love saving people's lives.
The support has been overwhelming. The state government, local government, non-governmental organizations and individuals rallied round the Alege family to give a helping hand to foot Aminat's medical bills. For Halima, Aminat's mother, her daughter needs more help to fulfill her dreams.
The problem is that Aminat's hand is still shaking and her leg is not balanced. If you look at her leg, it be as if someone that's having partial stroke. So I don't know. People have been calling me around that I should take care of this girl's leg before she grows. But I don't know what to do. Her hand, if I tell her to help me hold something, her hand will be shaking like 70 years old woman. If I ask her to help me check something from phone, I had to be, since that time I noticed, okay, I'm not helping me check one number is something, will be doing like this. I said, why your hand is shaking like this? Me that I'm born yourself, that I'm older than you. My hand is not shaking like this. Why you that you are just 13 years old, your hand is shaking? So I don't know what is going on. Government should please help me about that. They should not tired about my situation.
The 6th of December 2024 was Aminat's appointment with a consultant neurologist at the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital. With several checkups on Aminat's shaky hands and draggy legs, the outcome revealed that her case is not neurological in nature. Rather, she is suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder.
She's hyper-aroused, and you can see all the physical symptoms coming up. She's sweaty, she's having palpitations, she's in some situations maybe difficult to breathe in, and then she's thinking that what happened before is going to happen again, you know. So that sounds like a case of post-traumatic stress disorder. Of course, we'll need to take a proper history to be sure that it is. And I like the description that you gave, that she first of all went to see a neurologist, you know, and they ruled out everything. They're like, there's nothing there. It looks like it may be due to that negative experience that she's had. Classically, the treatments would include psychological treatment. We have something known as CBT, trauma-focused CBT, that's cognitive behavioral therapy that is targeted at trauma, where you're helping the person to navigate their thoughts, their feelings, and their behavior around that particular incident and how they are responding to it. And over time, they may be able to learn how to adapt to it in a better way, or respond to the memories or the experiences in a better way or in a more functional way. The other thing is medication. In some situations, you can have coexisting mood symptoms. They may require to be given some medications that are antidepressants or anti-anxiety medications that can help. This young child may need to do either of the two or both indeed. Then also a lot of supportive care will be necessary.
Despite her fears, the aspiring ophthalmologist is driven by determination and strengthened by her resilience. On the 9th of February 2024, Aminat Alege suffered a severe facial trauma that ruptured her right eyeball and exposed her right frontal bone, resulting in a total loss of vision in that eye.
Aminat Alege's injury was caused by a tear gas canister allegedly fired by a police officer from Alabo police station during a rival court clash involving secondary school students close to her school at Cement Agege. Adedoja, Salam Adeniyi, TVC News, Lagos.